What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. Now in today's video we're doing a little bit of a headlight restoration. I basically got some new headlights for the Honda Civic project car, and unfortunately I don't think the lens on the light is usable, so we're gonna end up swapping housing, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. Alright, so here are the lenses that I was going to talk to you guys about. So basically what happened is this is actually the original lens. As you can see, it's in pretty darn good shape for the most part, but if you guys notice, we got some broken tabs here. So we got a broken tab here and also a broken tab here, and then also a hole right there on the back of the housing. So basically the housing is no good, but the lens is pretty much intact. So I went ahead and basically bought a replacement on OfferUp, and basically it's reverse of what I got. So basically the lens is no good. As you can see here, I was trying to fix this, but you could see that it has this really weird dark spot, and it's, if you really look at it closely, it's actually got like little cracks and stuff in the actual lens itself. So basically the lens is basically junk at this point, but the housing is actually really good. It still has the tabs, everything that I need in order to basically swap these lenses over to each other, so that way I have a clean lens on a good housing, and that way I have a good base to work with, right? So I'm actually going to end up clearing this anyway, but I want a good start, and obviously this lens is already too far gone to the point of repair, so we're going to go ahead and scrap that lens. Also, what I'm going to be doing is be using some Honda Bond silicone, as you can see there, and basically we're going to go ahead and reseal the light so that way we don't get any moisture on the basically the brand new headlight that we're gonna have. Also with Honda Bond, it's it's Honda. It works really well, and it's gray just like the rest of the sealant that they used on from OEM. Also, we're gonna use some gloves because of course this stuff is skin irritant sometimes, and yeah, don't want to get this on your skin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and preheat our little oven here, and stick this light in the oven, and then go ahead and try to remove this lens. Alright, so it hasn't really been that long, and I'm pretty sure this oven is pretty much up to temperature. I only did it to about 180 degrees, and you know, kind of just like a testing temperature, because I don't really know how hot I really need it in order to get that silicone to kind of I don't know, like loosen up, I guess you could say. So we're gonna go ahead and check the headlight and see if it's ready. Alrighty guys, so the surgery was a success. I was able to separate the lens from the housing, as you can see right here, and yeah man, we got this thing all dialed in. Wasn't too bad, I guess, but yeah, it was. I think the hardest part is making sure you're not breaking anything, especially like these tabs. So I was practicing obviously with this pretty much no good housing in order to see how much give these plastic tabs actually have in order to not break them, because once we get into that one, that's where it really counts. We cannot break any tabs, and so therefore we're gonna try the next one. Alrighty guys, so this is the second headlight, and as you guys can see, it is starting to separate. Got a little bit of gummies here. Oh yeah, looks like when Venom opens his mouth. Alright, so we got the second lens off. This one was a pain in the butt, but as you guys can see, got it nice and separated here. Perfect. And that's how the cookie crumbles.
Alrighty guys, so we finally got that headlight situated. I went ahead and siliconed it all and it's still drying, but as you can see, we got the original lens with the new housing, and then here is basically the lens that was pretty much damaged. You could see right here, couldn't save that. And then obviously we have the tabs that are broken on this housing, so this is pretty much scrap, and we fixed a basically a headlight. With out of two headlights we made one. And yeah, what I'm gonna end up doing with this one is I'm gonna go ahead and sand it and then re-clear it, that way it looks brand new. And I'm gonna do that with the other one on that's currently on the car as well. And yeah, so we'll have some headlights that look basically brand new. Alrighty guys, so that is it for this one. Finally got the headlight situated, and yeah, got the the lens onto the new housing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys you know, like the process or learned the process if you're gonna do this on your own headlights. And anyways, stay spraying, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.